So the Holy Bible say, Mary's boy child, Jesus Christ, was born on Christmas Day.
Hello guys! Christmas is just around the corner, and I booked the Christmas ornaments for our Christmas tree.
Forevermore, because of Christmas Day.
Kendo toys,
Trumpets sound and
mallows,
angels sing. Listen
different
to what
ornaments,
they say.
6-pack
That
holiday
man will live
ornament
forevermore
set.
because of Christmas Day.
This box is they have different.
While shepherds watch their flock by night,
Carol, Nick, Santa,
they see a bright new shining
Minnie,
star.
Norma.
They hear a choir sing.
And
The
the other
music
box
seems
is
to
different.
come from afar. Now Joseph and his wife Mary came to Bethlehem that night. They found no place to bear her child. Not a single room was inside.
Reindeer, moose, brook.
Hark now, hear the angels sing, a new king born today, and man will live forevermore because of Christmas Day.
I bought this.
Trumpets sound and angels sing. Listen to what they say.
So now it's the time to
That
unbox
man will live forevermore because of Christmas Day. By and by they find a little nook in a stable all forlorn,
Oh, it's cute.
and in a manger cold and dark Mary's little boy was born. Long time ago in Bethlehem, so the Holy Bible say, Mary's boy child, Jesus Christ, was born on Christmas Day. Hark now, hear the angels sing, a new king born today, and man will live forevermore because of Christmas Day.
The next box.
Trumpets sound and angels sing. Listen to what they say. That man will live forevermore because of Christmas Day.
Oops. Oh, it's so cute.
Said the night wind to the little lamb, do you see what I see? Way up in the sky, little lamb,
This is
do
my
you see
favorite.
what I see? A star, dancing in the night, with a tail as big as a kite, with a tail as big as a kite. Said the little lamb to the shepherd boy, do you hear what I hear? Ringing through the sky, shepherd boy, do you hear what I hear? A song high above the tree, with a voice as big as the sea, with a voice as big as the sea. Said the shepherd boy to the mighty king, do you know what I know? In your palace warm, mighty king, do you know what I know? A child shivers in the cold. Let us bring him silver and gold. Let us bring him silver and gold. Said the king to the people everywhere, listen to what I say. Pray for peace, people everywhere. Listen to what I say. A child sleeping in the night, he will bring us goodness and light. He will bring us goodness. Long time ago in Bethlehem, so the Holy Bible say, Mary's boy child, Jesus Christ, was born on Christmas Day. Hark now, hear the angels sing, a new king born today, and man will live forevermore because of Christmas Day. Trumpets sound and angels sing, listen to what they say, that man will live forevermore because of Christmas Day. While shepherds watch their flock by night, they see a bright new shining star. They hear a choir sing, the music seemed to come from afar. Now Joseph and his wife Mary came to Bethlehem that night. They found no place to bear her child, not a single room was in sight. Hark now, hear the angels sing, a new king born today, and man will live forevermore because of Christmas Day. Trumpets sound.